Japan Mobility Show. We're here with David and I's favorite vehicle here at the show. This is the Mazda ICONIC SP. David, take it away.
You know what? This is the most beautiful vehicle at the show. We looked at everything here, and both Kirk and I agree this stole the show because of the beautiful design, amazing engineering behind it. And you know what? This might happen. They won't confirm anything, but they keep hinting that it has elements of RX-7, RX-8, and obviously the Miata or MX-5.
Yes.
And I think, personally, Kirk, that this will happen the next, I don't know, 2 to 3, 4 years down the road as a reborn Miata or MX-5. What do you think, Kirk?
Well, the theme of this entire event, the entire Mazda booth here, there are 4 or 5 different stations paying tribute to the Mazda Miata lineup throughout the years. It's an absolute treat. And of course, leave it to Mazda to do the most artistic booth here and the most beautiful car as well. The thing is, no one was expecting a rotary engine setup.
Yeah, so, oh, by the way, I'm a Canadian, so I say Mazda, you say
Mazda.
And Japanese say Mazda. Anyway, so it has 2 rotary engines that's running as a generator that charges the battery and then functions as electric car. So basically kind of like a plug-in hybrid, but uses 2 rotary engines in a way that were never used before. So technically speaking, it's a really interesting concept and the return of the beloved rotary engines as well. But it's not going to actually power the car to move forward. So that's something a little bit different. But regardless, all of the iconic features of some of the previous Mazda is there. I see on the RX-7 look.
Oh, yeah.
On the B, I guess it's a B pillar actually.
Yep, the roof line is more like RX-7. The rear of it has RX-7 and a Mazda Miata with the twin rear tail lights. It's very, very beautiful, but also reminiscent at the same time.
Exactly.
To me, I'm looking at a dream car.
It's a dream car.
Yeah.
And guess what? I don't know if this will happen in the production car, but 2 going doors. I mean, how is that possible?
I think that's a con. You know, I don't think they would see it in production. But man, does it look amazing!
Because if this happens, this is they're closing the door for us. If this happens, this is like, you know, like everyone's affordable exotic supercar, right?
Yeah, but what would people be paying for this? Can you imagine?
I know.
The markups,
it could be, who knows how much. But also
pop-up headlights.
Pop-up headlights. So again, reminiscent of some of the older Mazda.
I had a 91 NA Miata that had the pop-up headlights, and those things, they run off of air compressor, so they're super reliable. You know, they never broke. You got the illuminated Mazda logo up front. They're just showing off those headlights popping up in and out. Now, for legal reasons, those headlights will probably always need to be up, but when you turn the car off, they could go down.
Right, exactly. Yeah, cool. And for those of you who don't know, I've been to Mazda factory a number of times, and it is a smaller manufacturer compared to a big Toyota. But you know what? The quality of the manufacturing, the engineering is absolutely world-class at Mazda. They do it better than anyone else because they have this kind of Takumi concept of handcrafting things and taking care of all the details. So you're getting a quality of something that's even more than a Porsche, an affordable pricing with a beautiful design. This is the company you guys have to keep an eye on because this is up-and-coming manufacturer that's going to actually really overtake many of the markets because their engineering is so good behind the back.
Yeah, they're looking to sell 500,000 vehicles in North America pretty soon here, thanks to the new CX-90 and the CX-70 large rear-wheel drive bias platform. I mean, what Mazda's doing right now is unspeakable, and it's been an absolute treat to just be in the presence of this artwork.
I love it. Kirk loves it. Would you buy one, Kirk?
Absolutely.
Who cares about needing a space for kids? This comes first. Right?
This comes first. No. All right, thanks guys. We gotta get going. We got another booth to cover.
Peace out.
Peace. Here's some additional information on the Mazda ICONIC SP. It's a new genre of compact sports car concept that meets the needs of customers who love cars and want a genuinely fun car. It uses Mazda's unique 2-rotor Rotary-EV system, which is compact and offers a high degree of freedom in layout, and has achieved proportions with a low center of gravity that evokes good driving performance. When the onboard battery is charged with electricity derived from the renewable energy, it is possible to run on virtually any carbon-neutral fuel. In addition, the bright red exterior color VIOLA RED is based on Mazda's desire to cherish the color red, and is based on Mazda's desire to expand the circle of people who live positively today. This is a concept color created by overlapping our corporate philosophy. Masahiro Moro, Mazda's representative director, president, and CEO, said Mazda will continue to work to deliver cars that make people feel beyond reason, that cars are fun and good. As a company for car lovers that mass produces the excitement of moving experiences. Together with like minded companies, we want to create a future where many people, including fans, can say, I love cars. With this strong will, Mazda will continue to expand the circle of people who live positively today. Here's the overview of the compact sports car concept Mazda ICONIC SP. In creating the skeleton, which is the basis of modeling, we aim for proportions with a low center of gravity that gives an impression of excellent maneuverability. Concept of mounting a lightweight and compact rotary engine closer to the center of the vehicle has resulted in a low bonnet. The high output generated by the two-rotor Rotary-EV system, the low center of gravity, and the 50-50 weight distribution provides excellent maneuverability. In addition, although it is a sports car, it can be used for outdoor leisure activities and can provide power during disasters. Here are the Mazda ICONIC SP main specifications. Total length is 4,180 millimeters. Total width, 1,850. Total height, 1,150. Wheelbase is 2,590 millimeters. Power to weight ratio, 3.9. Maximum output in PS is 370. Vehicle weight in kilograms is 1,450.